on, van. You're gonna hear train 482 at the 508 with its brand new K5LLA. Yep. Because I really want to hear it. Well, you heard that horn, the brand new K5LLA. Oh, come on, the plane. Yes, I'm here. It's like a bad time for that plane to pass. And now, thanks to that plane, now I couldn't even hear it too good. I mean, at least you heard some horn of the train. Would have been better if I got a chance to see it, but oh well. The plane had to ruin it, but got a chance to hear it at least. That's the good part. I would have won a straight path for that train. I guess I can't.